Yo, what is going on YouTube? Crypto Chemist here, Josh Wakefield, looking at Polycat Finance, a value-oriented, economically sustainable hybrid yield aggregator on the Polygon blockchain. Guys, this is insane. They've got farming, they've got staking, they've got a whole bunch of news, and they're excited to have Apeboard actually on board with them. So you can actually go to Apeboard Finance as well, enter your wallet address, easy as that. There's tons of partnership they're working on right now, and what Polycat Finance is doing differently is very valuable. Now these guys, obviously, like I said, value oriented and economically sustainable and decentralized hybrid yield optimizer, or yield farm and yield aggregator, as you may already know, and they are running on the Polygon blockchain, formerly known as the MATIC blockchain. Now Polycat Finance was one of the first yield farms to be launched on Polygon, and maybe not the very first, but certainly the first with an extremely passionate and knowledgeable team. Launched on May 2nd, 2021, they've been steadily growing since, and they've become one of the biggest players on Polygon yet. So they're proud to actually be having the community that they have. They're super proud to have this community who has been nothing but supportive, engaged, and motivating thus far, and they've got more and more features coming in the future, such as the leveraged yield farming and their own automated market maker, which is the AMM. We've seen some other platforms do as well. And I've got a pretty cool roadmap right here as well, starting off showcasing you guys the Q2 of 2021, which was April 30th, the site launch. May 2nd was the farming launch. May 6th was the yield aggregator launch, and then the mid and late Q2 is going to be the Vault Zap, the IFO, which is the initial fish offering in this case, the NFT house, and then the in-house Polycat AMM after the sufficient TVL has actually been achieved. They've got tons of stuff that you can read up on about their vaults, their farms, their pools, their tanks, and their referral programs, their fish token, and their free economics. Their freakonomics is what they call it, which is pretty cool. But their vaults, basically, guys, think of the vaults as smart farms where you don't need to go through the hassle of harvesting rewards, selling half, adding liquidity, and restaking those LP tokens. Whether for pools or for single token vaults, guys, you don't have to manually harvest and compound your rewards anymore. The vaults, actually, this is how they work. They've got fees, so 5% of the earnings from the standard vaults are used to burn the fish token. Then 100% of the earnings from the burning vaults are used to burn fish. So the APY for the vaults include liquidity provider fees for LPs, and you can see all the APYs, all for the full details and how the APYs are actually calculated right here. It's going to tell you guys the combination of the things that go into the APYs, which is the trading fees and then the pool rewards. And this is how they work. The trading fees are given to the liquidity providers in proportion to their percentage stake in the LP, and then the trading fee rates vary but are generally a percentage of all the trades on the pair. Now for ease, they factor in your accrued trading fees into the APY calculations. Then the pool rewards are actually auto compounded once a minute. That's pretty cool, once every minute, and they are sold to purchase more LP tokens on your behalf and automatically compounded into your stake. As for the pool, like such as the pool rewards increase the amount of LP tokens you own over time, you guys will be gaining more funds and actually making passive income. Now compounding, again, is a very effective way for you guys to stack up those wallets, and Polycat's unique vaults automatically compound for you. So thanks to Polygon's extremely low transaction fees, they're able to compound the vaults automatically once every minute, and some of the vaults even have their own reward tokens depending on the strategy you guys decide to go for. Now Polycat takes these rewards and sells them to increase your position, and their auto compounding strategies ensure that your position is always automatically increasing, so no need for you boys to get your paws dirty. Now let's look at the platform. They've got cool social medias, and they're really connecting with their audience and their community. You can obviously earn up to 653% APR in their farms using some of their top farms available right now. Their auto compounding, which is their Fish USDC, and then the Fish Quick vaults are completely available for you guys. You can stake the WMATIC and the WETH, the USDC, in their pools as well. And the Fish stats, here is all the stats, man. Their market cap is there. The total minted, over 1 million total minted. The total burned, 15,638. And the circulating supply currently at 1 million tokens, and the max supply only 3 million. TVL on this platform is insane. $223 million in TVL. That's freaking insane. Over $188 million in their farms and pools, and the vaults over $35 million. They've got an insanely large platform. You can trade on SushiSwap, on QuickSwap, on DFYN, and the LP is on SushiSwap, again QuickSwap and DFYN. So all of those are available for you if you want to buy it. Obviously, it's going to take you guys to the Polycat Finance side of things where you can actually purchase these tokens. Now if you click on their vaults, you will be taken to the auto compounding yields vaults for you to grow your deposit. Now their vaults are currently have no deposit or withdrawal fees, which is pretty incredible, and a 0.1% withdrawal fee will be implemented on June 2nd 2021, which is really close. 100% of the burning vaults earnings are used to burn the fish, and 5% of the earnings overall will actually go to the vaults and used to burn right away. Now the APYs include the liquidity provider fees for the LPs, and the vaults are all included right here. You can click on staked only and see the ones that are staked only, but we don't have to look at them, man. We will go after all of them. The Ethereum MATIC, obviously you can unlock it, connect your wallet, get into there. The USDC fish, the APYs at 4,293%. That right there is insane, boys. Look at the QuickSwap numbers. You've got an APY of over 4,000%. Then you've got 2,000% over on the Fish Quick on QuickSwap as well. Then you got the Fish DFYN over at 3,000% APY. These things are freaking incredible, man. You're literally seeing 1% daily with the USDC Fish pair. And you can just go through the list and check out all the other ones, but I would literally be going for these top three, man. The top three looks very yummy, and you'd be crazy not to go for those. Now clicking on the farms, you will be taken to the place where you can stake LP tokens and earn fish. And look at the APY, look at the numbers, over 53,000% APY on the Fish MATIC. And the Fish MATIC, actually, you can even on DFYN, you can actually get it at an APY of 62,000%, and the APR at 649%. And it's just incredible. The numbers that they're putting out here is insane, and it's going to be hard to believe it unless you try it, man. You got to try it out for yourself. The liquidities are all right there, over $50 million. You're seeing over at least $12-13 million in every single liquidity locked in all of their farms, which is freaking insane. Some of these numbers I have never ever seen before. And here are the pools. Again, all the details are available. How much money is actually totally locked in this? I mean, we're looking at a freaking platform with over $200 million TVL, so you guys have to understand there's going to be a ton of money pumped into this, and a ton of money actually locked into the liquidities on different pairs. And that's exactly what you guys are seeing right here. Almost $20 million in the fish pair right here. And man, you guys are missing out if you're not looking at this. This is a 30x opportunity. The MATIC, WMATIC, is a 15x opportunity, and the WETH, again, another 15x opportunity. The opportunities are endless when you're looking at the Polycat Finance platform. You can fish tanks, and here's the APR on the Gembits. Fish tank is based off of the GBTS QuickSwap listing price, which was 3 cents, and the Gembites team has actually attributed 500,000 GBTS tokens to their fish tank, and with the emission rate of 0.4 GBTS per block, the Gembites fish tank is actually estimated to last for 30 days. APR is right there as well, and the details can be found right at the bottom, with the total staked at over 3,277 and the remaining blocks available over 1 million. Your project here, man, you guys have so much opportunity for you guys to get into this platform. The referrals as well, if you guys want to get into your referrals and actually use your referrals, make sure you use your referral code to share this platform, man. Share this platform with whoever you want. And then the audits on Obelisk and the tech rate audit all have been done and fully audited and fully confirmed. They got the 2 thumbs up from the boys over at Tech Rate, and it is incredible to see that. I mean, there's a lot of amazing projects coming out this year, especially in 2021, with the amount of people getting into cryptos and the amount of new faces, amount of new average Joes getting into cryptos. There's a lot of new projects coming out, but there's no project that I have seen personally coming out with the numbers that Polycat Finance is giving you guys, and the APRs and the APYs that they're providing. They're incredible, and I cannot wait I cannot wait to see what they got coming up next. Huge shout out to Polycat Finance. All the links will be in the description below. One of the biggest, best platforms I have looked at in 2021. If you have any questions, make sure you get in contact with their teams. All of their social media links are at the bottom of the page. Their Twitter, very, very lit. Over 15.2K members in here, and they've got only good news on here for you, man. All types of good news. Look at this sick ring right here with the freaking Polycat logo, and it's iced out, man. It's a bust down ring with the Polycat on there. Very, very cool to see that. Tons more information on their vaults, quick swap decks, the first ramp, okay, out there right now. The only good news they got is for you guys to hop into the Polycat Finance platform. Also, they are on Telegram, over 11.6K members in there, 1,400 online right now. So Polycat is lit, Polycat is popping, and I would definitely recommend you guys to check it out this year. Huge shout out to the Polycat Finance platform, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, smash the thumbs up button, leave a subscribe down below, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Chemist out.